Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Welcome back, children! Today we are going to learn how to spell some of the basic words. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's spell the word drink. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word eat. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word table. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word chair. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word dress. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word food. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word fruits. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word wash. Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word brush. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word read. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word write. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Your turn to spell, children. Let's spell the word study. Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Your turn to spell, children. Great job, children! Now, let's have a short exercises. Are you ready? Can you spell the word drink? Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Children, can you spell the word table? Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Children, can you spell the word chair? Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Can you spell the word dress? Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Children, can you spell the word fruits? Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Can you spell the word brush? Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Children, can you spell the word read? Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Children, can you spell the word right? Right. W-R-I-T-E. Right. Children, can you spell the word study? Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Children, did you get all the correct answer? Great job! If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lesson.